Hello and welcome to our QI Connect data submission tutorial. I will walk through how to submit data via a PDF. Please check out the video on how to submit data onto your organization's page for an additional option in submitting data to us. As a reminder, the data you submit is secured and is used to support your quality improvement work. On screen, you will see the QI Connect home screen. This is what you see when you first log in. We have resources, news, and data submission options on the right-hand side. I would also like to point out the hamburger menu on the left-hand side of your screen. When you click on this, you can quickly navigate the portal, such as to your contacts and organizations. When it comes time to submit data, you will come to this home screen. On the right-hand side, you will find the Data Entry User Guide. This guide details the submission process and the measures collected. You will also find the data entry PDF forms here. Please note that your organization may be enrolled in more than one goal. If you would like to find out more about the goals your organization is enrolled in, you can navigate to your organization's page by clicking on the hamburger menu, selecting organizations, typing in your organization's name in the search box, and pushing enter. Your organization will pop up. You can click on the green plus sign and more details to be taken on towards the organization's page. You will also find the goals your organization is enrolled in. For this tutorial, I will be submitting data for the Goal 1 with the Goal 1 form on increasing behavioral health access and decreasing opioid harm. I will navigate back to the home page, over to the data submission section, and select the Goal 1 form. I will open the document. To begin the data submission process. Note that there are required fields in red. These are the minimum information to submit for data submission. The other measures are optional. The advantage in reporting these optional measures is we will create meaningful trend reports to inform your QI work. For this submission, I will be doing my baseline data. Baseline data is from September 1st, 2019 through August 31st, 2020. It includes the aggregated data on care provided between those dates. We understand that you may not have all 12 months of data, so we ask that you submit what you do have available and choose that appropriate time frame in these time data entry fields. I will enter my required information. And I will be reporting data for the full baseline period. I will complete my required measures. And I will select a few of the optional measures for my organization to report each month going forward. Once I am done, I will scroll to the bottom, and I am ready to submit. So I will push my Verify and Save button. This button, if I had any of my required measures not filled out, would tell me. but it takes me to the Save As page. So that means I did complete my form completely. I will select the appropriate folder that I would like to save my document into, and note that base shows up for the baseline period. I will save my document into that folder and navigate back to the portal. To submit this PDF into the portal, I will navigate to my organizations page. If you run into this issue, you can select History to be taken here. I will scroll down to the form upload section. I will browse for the appropriate file. My file type is for the organization, and I will upload. When it appears here, I know that my form has been successfully uploaded, and I am done. I have now submitted data for the baseline period through a PDF and uploaded into the portal. Thank you for watching this tutorial on submitting data via a PDF. This is the end of this tutorial.